Okay, guys, I better do this now because the new MM2 Halloween event is coming out in about 10 minutes now. It's currently 12 o'clock. It's going to come out 1 o'clock. Oh my goodness, okay, a game is starting, but it's not like the actual game. Okay, how do I get my screen recording to work? Hold up. Oh my goodness, my screen recording doesn't want to work. Okay, hold up, my computer's out of space. Let's see. So we only have 1 minute left. 1 minute. Oh, it's lagging. Okay, there it goes. I think because so many people are joining to watch this countdown, that's why it's lagging so much. I don't know about you guys, but it's like lagging for me a little bit. Like it would just stop like this. Like how, I guess people are like stuck or something like that. Oh, there it goes. And then it would like freeze up. I don't know what's going on. So I'm hoping there's going to be new weapons and all that stuff. I'm hoping there's going to be a cool new map. Let's see. So this is like the main lobby or something like that. I don't know, but it's like there's loading a map, but the map doesn't want to load. Like I don't know what's going on. There's people speaking like different languages. But I want to watch this countdown. There's so many people here trying to watch it. I can't even zoom in to see it. Okay. Wait, it's stuck. Okay, there it goes. 57. Wait, the countdown. There's so many people trying to join. Why is this person jumping on my head? Okay, 40 seconds. Okay. I'm just... Oh my goodness. Okay, there's so many people here trying to watch this. This person's jumping all over the place. Okay, 30 more seconds. It's currently a 101. I don't know what's going on. Maybe it comes out like 102, I think, because it's already 101. I don't know what's going on. 20 more seconds. 20... Oh, okay, there it goes. It keeps, like, freezing for some reason. Like, it, like, I don't know. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now. Okay, what's going on? Okay, what's going on? It's all black now. Wait, what's going on? Ooh, what is that? Is that an alien spaceship? Ooh. Aliens. Is it an alien one? Whoa, okay. This is like an alien. Okay, what happens if we jump over this? What happens if we get in here? Oh, this is like the thing now. Like the new map. Oh my goodness, look at how cool that is. This is the new map. There's the new weapons. There's the new bundle. That looks so cool. Oh wait, there's a game starting? There's a game starting. Okay, let's see the new boxes. Okay, let's move this out of the way. Oh my goodness. Okay, there's the new box. Battle Pass. Let's see. Alien plush. Okay, let's claim that. Hurry. Claim. UFOs. Candy corn. Alien key. So these are the new candies now. Let me turn this up. These are the new candies now. Oh. There is candy bucket. There's a lot here. Let's see. Mystery box. Fall. Pumpkin patch, treats, stickers. I have 3 candies because I haven't really been playing. But, oh my goodness. I hear people doing stuff. How do I get out of here? This is cool. It's like aliens now. It's like an alien thing now. I guess we have to collect all these things. Okay, we won. I guess someone won. I don't know. But I think this is pretty cool. There's a Halloween box 25. What does the exchange do? Oh, for coins? Okay, I'm not doing that. But there is a lot here. Can you use 800 candies or one alien key, which I don't have any of that because I just started playing this. But, okay. Let me equip my Halloween stuff, because I did have Halloween stuff from, like, other past Halloweens. Where's my holiday? Okay, there is my candy corn. Let's do this one. Okay. So this is, like, what happened to this, like, little thing that they had here? I guess they replaced it with the alien thing. There's even more here, like, aliens. Ooh, they put little bats there. There's, like, some stuff here. What did I get? I don't remember. I think I got sheriff. Whoa, look at this map. It has like slime everywhere. This is like, there used to be water, now it's slime. Let's collect these candies before someone goes after me. There's more slime over here. Oh, what's going on? Wait, do I have, where's my plushies? How do I find my, like, is this it? I noticed they changed it now. How do I find my plushies? Oh, there it is. There's my little plushie. I actually like this plushie. This is cute. I guess I might hold it this entire time. Uh-oh. There's someone following me. I don't know if that's a good thing or not a good thing. Jump out of here. Let's collect all these candies. Before someone gets me. Let's get out of here. Uh-oh. There's somebody behind me. Where is it? Where'd she go? Where'd she go? She went up there and I don't know where she went. Wait, is that her? Oh, wait, there she is. I missed. Okay, I don't know what's going on. Okay. So, I guess this is the... Oh, we can go in here. I didn't check out this. Look at the new voting. The new voting for the map thing. This is, like, so new. Okay, let's go up here. Does this take you to anywhere? Whoa, there's like a couch here. I guess I don't know. There's more slime stuff here. This is pretty cool. Let's see if I can join another server and see if I can, like... It says now, they changed it all. See, join event. Let's join it now. Hopefully nobody's taking all the spaces, because I really want to play this. I don't want to just sit there in the lobby and like be there forever. I actually want to play this. Oh, God. Okay, now for some reason... Okay, there it goes. Oh, they're voting now. Wait, hurry. What is that? Spaceship? There's a spaceship map? Oh, what is that? A spaceship map. What does that do? What is... No, but it's like, what map is that? I'm crazy. Whoa. Okay, I'm innocent. This is a vent here? Can I go in here? Yeah, I can go in here. Can I go up here? Oh, I just hide. Let me get rid of this real quick. So this is the new spaceship? All about aliens now? Uh-oh. I haven't even been in this game for about 2 seconds and I already got unalived. Well, we already know what we're doing. We're gonna just refresh this again because we got to play this game. I wasn't even there for like a minute and I already got killed. Oh my goodness. Here we go again. I think another game just started, so we might be here for a while, but I don't care. But we're just gonna go up here. And this is this new spaceship. And there's a bunch of them. I liked the cool little animation they put on in there. Have they always done that? Because I don't remember they're ever doing that. See, wait, there's only... Okay, I think the game just ended right now, so I guess we're going up here. Okay, spaceship. We need to do spaceship, because I wasn't able to do a spaceship last time. Please. I'm begging you, please do the spaceship. Spaceship, please. Okay, I think it's done. Whoa, they have alien pets now? Wait, was that in the battle pass? Was that in the battle pass? I don't know. Where's the pets? I don't know. How did you get a pet like that? That's what I want to know. Okay, here's like the thing. How do I get one like that? I don't know. Do you guys know? I don't know. What does this do? Oh, it's like... This is like an elevator? Can you go in there? Probably not. Uh-oh, I'm staying away from everybody because I don't trust anybody in here, up in here. But here is the spaceship right here. We've been through this. Okay, something does not want me to play this game. So there's somebody outside because my window's open. I don't know what's going on. Today, just nobody wants me to play this game. I'm like the first person to go. And what's over here is like a fire. I didn't explore this map. There's a door here. Does it open? Oh wait, the light came off. Is this like the summer event where if you push, oh, there's candy here, but if you push like buttons, you'll be able to get like, or unlock something new? The scarecrow. What happens if I, see I can push all these buttons. Is there any more lights? Push. Is there any more? Oh, there's one more over here I don't think I pushed. Oh, there's two more. Please take. Can I push on this? Nope, it doesn't. One more. Let's see what this does. Does anything happen? I don't know. What does that do? I have no clue. I guess you're just ringing all the bells, and I guess you get candy, I guess. I don't know. But over here it looks like some kind of fire. Can you not go in there? Guess you can't go in there because it's a fire. Okay. Now I better get out in here. Oh, there's outside. What are the other spaceships? Here's like, oh, there's the spaceships, other ones. Oh my goodness. Be careful. Be very careful what's in here. It's just like this in there. I better get these candies. Oh, that scared me. That scared me, dude. Get away from me. Get away from me, please. Does this open? No, it doesn't open. I feel like there's only 2 people in here because I feel like there's other people in other events. Or not events, other games. Well, the same game. I don't know what's going on. Okay, I think that was pretty cool, but if you guys want me to do like another video when I have enough candies, I get to unlock the box and see what I get. If you guys want me to do a video like that, then definitely like on this video. But I do hope that I do get like probably fall or candy corn, because candy corn looks so cool. Or like the UFO ones, or I don't know, but something like that. But I think I might make a video like that. And I think this is so cool. I've been waiting like almost a month for this. And I do enjoy it, and I love the way this new map looks. This looks way different. I don't think other maps have been like this, like this cool or something like that. I don't know, but I don't know what happened to the other ones. I think because there's, yeah, I don't know, but what's going on? Hold on, can I get out of here? Oh, there we go. But yeah, I do like this. If you guys want me to make another video on this, when I do have candies, definitely like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next video. Bye.